What are you doing, buddy?
Come back! Come back!
I'm gonna harass you with the camera.
Dance.
What are you doing to the chair, bro?
Your partner.
Your juice is ready.
Hold freaking out because you can't, they won't let him smoke. There's no contact for 4 months. 15 minutes a week on the phone. And he says, I don't know if I can do that. I don't know if I can do that.
Of course he's going to say that that's normal though right now. They're just going to have to keep encouraging him to keep heading in that direction. Where is he?
Do you want to talk to him?